Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus error on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you're trying to access this file through File Explorer, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go ahead and repair that. And we're going to go jump into it and start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in CMD. Best match should come back with Command Prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, you want to left click on Yes. Now I'm going to have a command in the description video. I want you guys to copy it from my description and then go to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, left click on edit, and then left click on paste. Please note there's a C followed by a colon right after the scan file equals. You're going to have to change this C to whatever drive Windows is installed on if it's not on the C drive. If you're unsure where Windows is installed, you can always open up File Explorer, so if you have a taskbar icon for it, or you could go through the Start menu and then left click on this PC on the left side, and then whatever local disk that you see the little Windows icon above this in parentheses should be the drive in which Windows is installed on. So again, C drive here. Go ahead and enter on your keyboard once you have the command in the command prompt window here. Should take a moment. Hopefully it will not be able to find any integrity violations, but we're going to go ahead and run the second command here. So again, go up to the top bar of the command prompt, right click on it, left click edit, and left click on paste. Again, I'm copying these commands off screen so you don't see me doing it, but the commands are slightly different here. So once that's done, you want to close out of here. Hopefully be able to run the file and it should not have any issues. If you're still having a problem, another thing you try to be to open up the Start menu again, type in disk cleanup. Best match should come back with disk cleanup. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the Cleanup System Files button. And then click on OK. Select Delete Files. And hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem, so restart your computer. If you're still having a problem, attempt the system restore at that point, so just another additional method you can take. But I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.